My name is Adelabu. I come from Ijebu-Ode, Nigeria, but I live here in Harare, Zimbabwe. I worked for you, Jacob Dube. You came to me in 2018 seeking for power, fame, and wealth. I worked for you. I sent you to bring sand from 5 churches, from 5 different men of God, which you did. Remember, you made a vow to pay 300,000 rands every 3 months. Now you have gotten what you wanted, but you refused to pick my call. You refused to call me. You never answered my call. Jacob Dube, pay my money. Since this year, you did not pick my call. You refused to call me. You blocked my line. If you block my line, you can't block me spiritually. I'm telling you, Adelabu, you cannot run away from me. You cannot run away from me. I know how to get you. Your friend Solomon knows what I can do to you. Remember how I helped you to take over somebody's church in East London, in South Africa. Also remember how you brought your girlfriend's pants, Naomi, to me to work for you. I worked for you. I worked for you. Remember your girlfriend's pants. You brought your girlfriend's pants, Naomi. You brought 3 of your girlfriend's pants for me to work for you. These are the pants. This is the black, this is the red, and this is the white. Stand with your menstrual period for you to get fame, money, and more members. I have worked for you. I work for you diligently. Pay me my money. Pay me my money, or else you run mad before the end of this year. Here is your picture I used in working for you when you came to my place. I used your picture in working for you. Remember, remember, remember. Here is the money you dropped in my altar. Here is the money you dropped in my altar for me to work for you. And I have worked for you. I have worked for you. This is the money you dropped for you to get more money. I'm still working for you. But now, I have changed my mind. I have changed my mind. You dropped dollars and rams for me to work for you. And now you have paid me evil. From now till December, if you don't pay my money, you will turn madman in the streets of South Africa. Your friend Solomon Izang knows what I can do. You know what happened to Motor Show in South Africa? He faced disgrace and shame. I helped him. He refused to pay my money. Look at his humiliation today. Look at his humiliation. If I can humiliate my own brother, who are you? What will happen to you will be more than a Motor Show's own. You will run mad before December. Pay me my money, sanwó mi fún mi, sanwó mi fún mi, sanwó mi fún mi, bó bá sanwó mi, èmi Adélájà, wàá rí ní hòhò. Jẹ́ Israel, gbọ́ mi, gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mi o, gbọ́ mi, ibikíbi tó bá wà, ibikíbi tí wọ́n bá wà, gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mi o, mo ń pa ẹdìẹ lórí ẹ. I am killing this fowl because of J. Israel. The spirit will fight for you. The spirit will go against. As I caught this fowl, let the gods fight you. Let the gods fight. J. Israel, J. Israel, J. Israel, J. Israel. This is the blood. I kill this fowl. I kill this fowl. Your generation unborn will suffer for it because you refuse to pay my money. You will run mad. You will run mad if you don't pay me my money. Don't go. Ọ̀rọ̀ tá a sọ fún ewúrẹ́ lewúrẹ́ ń gbọ́. Ẹni gbé ewúrẹ́ orí ẹ̀ ló ń dìmú, igi ẹ̀ ló ń dìmú, àgbọ̀rọ̀ ṣe kínní, ayé. J. Israel, you will face shame and disgrace. in your life. You face shame and disgrace in your life. For because you refuse to pay me my money, you will be humiliated, you will be disgraced. Shame will follow you. Shame will follow you, Israel. I kill this fowl because of you. Your generation unborn will suffer for it. You and your girlfriend will never see peace. Even if you marry, you get new girlfriend, you will not have peace in your life. Israel, pay me my money. Pay me my money. Israel, or you face madness. You move naked in the streets of South Africa. Anyone who knows Israel, Jacob Dube, tell him now, pass this message to him. If you refuse to pay me my money, I will going to show this video to the world. I will show this video to the world. How he came to me to acquire power, wealth. Anyone that knows him, knows Jacob Dube, Israel, tell him, oh, tell him to pay me my money. Obey Adelaja, obey Adedibu,